Today I'm going to show you how I built the Purple Heart wood longboard. We went to Woodcraft first and got some cool Purple Heart and mahogany and some other style wood. It was half off, paid $25 for it. I glued up a piece of pine and a piece of the Purple Heart about 1/2 inch wide and cut it into little pieces and made it into a checkerboard pattern. I tried to glue it up all at once and it didn't work very good, so what I did is I took smaller sections and glued them up to keep them as straight as possible. As you see here, it worked out really well. And then I put 2 strips of 1/4 inch mahogany on the sides and glued it up. Added 2 pieces of pine to the sides. And then I added a little bit more pine and some mahogany and a little bit more Purple Heart to give it a good contrast. Then I glued everything up, clamped it, waited 24 hours, unclamped it, and it's ready for the planer. After that, we put it in the planer. Took off about 1/4 inch either side. The imperfections were pretty cool. So I cut out a template, drew it out, and went with a jigsaw and cut out with the jigsaw. Then I put the sander to work and sanded out all the edges. Put it on the router table, put a nice 3/8 round over bit on there. And it really turned out good. After that, I sanded it down and I put some epoxy and filled the holes.